Do Muslims only believe in the Quran al-Kareem, or are there other holy books that Muslims have to bring faith upon? Yes, we bring Iman upon the Quran al-Kareem, and we have to believe in the Quran wholeheartedly. However, it is also an essential part of our faith to believe in 3 other holy books. Allah has mentioned these holy books in the Quran al-Kareem. Inna anzalna at-Tawrata fiha hudan wa nur. And we revealed the Torah fiha hudan wa nur, in which could be found guidance and light. This ayah is with regards to the revelation of the Torah. This holy book was revealed to Sayyidi Musa alayhi salam. وَآتَيْنَا دَاوُودَ زَبُورًا. And we gave the Zabur to Dawood alayhi salam. This ayah is with regards to the revelation of the Zabur, the holy book that was given to Prophet Dawood alayhi salam. وَقَفَّيْنَا بِعِيسَى بْنِ مَرْيَمَ وَآتَيْنَاهُ الْإِنْجِيلَ. And we followed on by sending Isa, the son of Maryam alayhi salam, وَآتَيْنَاهُ الْإِنْجِيلَ, and we revealed to him the Injil. From these ayats of the Quran, we learn that Muslims do not just believe in the Quran, rather it is an essential part of our Iman to bring faith upon not just the Quran, rather the Torah, the Zabur, and the Injil. We also have to believe in the scriptures. In the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions Suhufi Ibrahim wa Musa, the scriptures of Musa alayhi salam and Ibrahim alayhi salam. From this we learn not only holy books were revealed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also revealed holy scriptures. We must also bring Iman upon those holy scriptures. But do not get it wrong. We bring Iman, faith upon the original text, the way it was revealed. Any additions or alterations, we do not bring Iman upon. The way the holy books were received by the prophets alayhimus salam, by Dawood alayhi salam, by Musa alayhi salam, by Isa alayhi salam, we bring faith upon those holy books in that form. And likewise, the same with the holy scriptures. Anyone who says they only believe in the Quran, they reject the previous holy books, that person does not have Iman. For it is a condition of Iman to bring Iman, to bring faith in those previous holy books alongside with the Quran al-Kareem. Just like Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the seal of prophethood, the same way the Quran al-Kareem is the seal of the Kutub. The previous revelations, they were revealed for specific nations, whereas the Quran al-Kareem is a revelation for mankind, not just for a specific group of individuals or a specific nation. Whether a person is black, white, brown, whether they are short or tall, no matter what their ethnic background is, these things do not hold value in Islam. In Islam, we believe everyone is the same. The only thing that differentiates us from one another is our good deeds. The Quran was revealed for everyone. The Quran is also the greatest revelation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it was revealed to the greatest creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, none other than our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. I hope you understood. If you did not understand, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I will try my level best to get back to you as soon as possible. As always, I humbly request that you like and share the content of this channel. And if you have not yet done so, to subscribe to this channel. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.